Nigga squat.
What the fuck?
Hey, it's different. We just changing shit up, bro.
Hey, we're back though.
Hey.
Somebody put us on. This song's only like 1,000 views. So.
Yeah. Hey. We
don't care.
Hey.
Don't care.
Hey, we appreciate our upcoming artists, bro.
Exactly.
Hey, y'all got anything? Y'all hit us up or y'all put it in the comments. Hey, we
try our best to get all.
Hey, yeah, we try our best to get to your shit, bro. Hey, when more people see your shit, hey, you never know. You could be the next Lil Uzi.
Exactly.
I don't know. Well, let's see. Like, comment, subscribe. Okay.
Interesting beat.
Oh God. It's like it's someone like I don't know, like you seen them xylophone? Is it xylophone?
It's not a xylophone, but it's
it's something like
similar
that, sound. Yeah, it's a similar sound.
I got enemies around me, I can let them take my soul. Drinking up a cup, but I might pull me up some more.
Okay.
Life was moving fast, but I was trying to take it slow.
Oh yeah.
How you do that, something they don't never know.
Yeah.
Gang, I'm with the gang. Gang, bitch, I'm with the gang. Gang, bitch, I'm with the gang.
Yeah.
Gang,
Hey, I like that part though. Bang, bitch, I'm with the gang. Tell him.
I'm with the gang. Bitch, I'm with the gang. Let you know what's up.
Yeah.
Let you know what's up. With the gang. Nigga tryna play me, bitch, I'm finna take you out. I don't play around, niggas know what I'm about.
Tell him.
Bitch, I'm deep in the streets. I got heat on me. Make a
Tell him.
funny move, nigga, you can get your ass pop. Cause I'm running with an OG.
Tell him.
Said I'm down with an OG.
Yeah.
I'm down with an OG. You the whole team OG. I got enemies around me, I can let them take my soul. Drinking double cup, but I might pull me up some more.
I like beat though.
Life was moving fast, but
Yeah, V-set goes hard once you start on it.
Exactly.
how you do that, something they don't never know. Gang, I'm with the gang.
Yeah.
Gang. Bitch, I'm with the gang.
Gang.
Gang. Bitch, I'm with the gang. Hey, I'm with the gang. That's when my niggas would go bang.
Yeah.
Is this a group?
I don't know.
I think this is a group. I think there's two.
Okay.
I think there's at least two people.
Okay.
I think.
Hey, y'all tell us in comments.
I think so.
You know, bitch, check what you say. If you talk too much, we'll bust your brain. You know, bitch, we don't take no wills. We might take your life away if you don't chill.
Yeah.
Get your body, cause a nigga.
But if you ain't killing us, we're taking your life.
Taking you out, nigga.
Exactly.
Tell him. I like that shit.
We might take your life away if you don't chill. Get your body, cause a nigga know the deal.
Yeah.
For my gang, die for my gang, gotta keep it real. No pressure, really be keeping it honey. You tryna fuck with my niggas, but you know I find this shit funny.
Yeah.
You tryna walk up on me and my niggas, you finna be running. You tryna do anything, then I hope that your family got money.
Yeah.
See a lot of gang, and I can tell just by the look you swear. We ain't bumping any till we get ourselves a paper gang. Grab it, keep on stacking and investing in this game we play. We gon' sell it back, cause it's the only way we getting paid. I be on it, I
Keep on selling backwards. That's the only way we're getting paid.
Hey.
We got
Spread
what
the
we gotta
grind.
do.
On God, spread the grind. Let's go.
be on it, I can leave the shit unsaid. People had it and they just told us to go get it. Cut it easy, I can even tell what team did it.
Yeah.
We got friends a little jealous, but they never said it.
Gang shit. Tell him. Talk your shit, nigga. Talk your shit, nigga.
Whenever I hear people say gang, I always think of Lil TJ.
TJ.
Only the squad.
Oh yeah.
Only the gang.
Yeah. Oh yeah. That's right. Hey. I don't think this was that bad.
No, this
was
wasn't
not bad.
I think he's definitely got room to improve.
Yeah, bro. I definitely like
The foundation's there, though.
Yeah. Like
So.
if you like, I think if he had like a longer like rap verse,
Yeah.
this song would be hard as fuck.
Yeah, it was a little repetitive. That's the only.
Yeah.
He said gang a lot. Which
Yeah,
I mean
a lot. I mean, yeah,
the name
it's,
of the
yeah,
title,
it's good, but
You know what I mean.
Yeah.
So.
hey, I think he did good, bro. I think he
I
did
still
pretty
give it
good.
like a solid 8. Yeah.
I give it like a 7.5. Hey, you did good, gang. Hey, tell us what's up.
Yeah.
If you want us to react, if you got any more fire songs, man, hey,
put it in the
put in the
description.
comments or some shit.
Yeah.
Hey, like, comment, subscribe, y'all.
See
We
ya.
out of here.